Got some strawberries here. I've got some coconut cream, some maple syrup, and I'm going to show you how we can make some homemade sorbet or ice cream using the Commercial Juicer. Now, I've already prepared one earlier. Have a look at here. So with this one, look, 1 kilo of frozen strawberries, 1 can of coconut cream, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And look at the size of the container there. Kuvings do sell these premium quality clip containers which can go in the freezer, and then you've got yourself some homemade sorbet for your week. So my suggestion is, if you've got a larger family or if you really love ice cream and sorbet, then make some larger quantities, especially during the season where you've maybe got lots of cheap strawberries, or you've got lots of mango, or you've got lots of fruit growing on your trees at home. Cut it up, pop it in the freezer and make yourself some homemade ice creams and sorbets. All right, so let's have a look at how easy it is to make, shall we? First of all, got some frozen strawberries here. Make sure, tip here is that you don't want them rock hard coming straight out of the freezer. When they're hard, rock hard, they won't press. Remember, we're squeezing and pressing, cold pressed in here. We've got some coconut cream here, so I'm going to put that in, and we're going to use some maple syrup here, a little bit of maple syrup. And then what you want to do is mix all that together. It's all about creating flavour. The juicer will squeeze and press whatever fruit it is. You can do mixed berries, whatever fruits you want. Make sure you get some nice flavours going. Okay, so open the lid, open the cap, and then you want to spoon in a ladle at a time. And the juice is going to squeeze and press, creating the sorbet for us. Have a look, already coming out. So this is ready to go straight away. You can pop it into some bowls and serve it straight away. Or if you're wanting to make it ahead of time, like what I've done here, pop it in the freezer for an hour or so, get it nice and hard. And then make sure you get it out ahead of time so that it's soft enough to scoop with your ice cream scoop. With the Commercial Juicer, it comes with a plunger which fits in the back of the machine to push the ingredients down onto the press. So when you're making something like this, you might need to use your the pusher just to get it onto the press. It's quite sticky with the coconut cream. Let's finish that off. Okay, so now I would normally just run that for a few minutes to push all of the ingredients, the produce through to finish it off. I'm just going to turn it off there, close that up, and show you what we've got. There we go, have a look at that. You can see how this is a bit softer than the one that's been in the freezer. So just know that if you put it in the freezer, you want to take it out ahead of time to make sure you can scoop it out. Amazing. coconut strawberry sorbet. Delicious. If you like the old strawberries and cream, then you're going to love this dairy-free recipe with the coconut cream.